Welcome! Today I'll be showing you how to achieve gorgeous defined waves, whether you have fine to medium or coarse textured hair. Let's dive in. For those of you with fine to medium textured waves, start with a gentle clarifying shampoo to cleanse your scalp. If you struggle with scalp dryness, opt for our Pure Silk Moisturizing Shampoo for that extra hydration boost. Follow up with our Super Smooth Cream Conditioner to lock in moisture and smooth those strands. If your client has some buildup in their hair, consider using our Turmeric Purifying Hair and Scalp Mask on the scalp and hair. Follow up with our luxurious Ayurvedic Deep Conditioner. Next, apply our avocado and rose oil clump and define cream to enhance those beautiful waves. Now, for that perfect hold, we'll use our light hold cream gel. Apply a small amount, section and brush style with our patent-defined EdgeLift Brush. Scrunch the hair for added volume and definition. And diffuse. These options are additional. Finish off with a spritz of hairspray and a light oil for that radiant shine. And there you have it, beautiful waves tailored to your unique hair texture. Remember, with the right products and techniques, your hair can be your ultimate accessory. Stay fabulous.